Okay, so here I have a screen replacement for the XS Max, and I'm actually going to show you the whole thing. I'm going to speed it up a little bit so you're not going to have to watch all of it in real time, but I'm going to show you the whole thing. But before we do that, let's actually pull this out, get an idea what this looks like. So, box is pretty simple. It actually comes, it's pretty sweet there. It does come with some tools. I have my own tools. If you're looking at getting a really good tool set, the iFixit tool set's a great one, but they do come with some tools here in order to be able to get it done. These are actually pretty good looking tools too. Yeah, that's actually a great looking tool. So what you like about these is they spin. So this top part spins right here, so you can put it in there and spin this around with your hand there. So that actually is better than I expected. So they come with a couple different sizes, a couple different ones. There are some specialty tools that Apple uses on these, and so they give you those. And then there's some, these are spudgers in order to get the screen open. So let's open this up, see how it looks. This is pretty important. So this is going to be the adhesive that adheres the new screen on. You're going to need to clean the old one off very well. Oh, that's cool. They give you a screw mat, something where you can place the screws so you know exactly where they came out. That is very important to put them in the exact same spot. You will ruin the phone if you don't. So just be careful. Yeah, make sure you put it in the same spot. Looks like it comes with, I think it's a screen protector actually. That's pretty cool. And then here is the actual OLED screen itself. And that's going to be the replacement. So I'm going to speed this video up after this now and show you the whole process in quick, I guess a little bit quicker. Anyway, enjoy.